Apoyo Mate, Ladit, President, Your Excellency, Okelo. Chawa Pere, and so I want to thank everybody here present, and I give us the book of Isaiah 43 that will guide you. It says, I will say to the north, give them up, and to the south, do not hold them back. Bring my sons from afar, and my daughters from the ends of the earth. Bring my sons from afar, and my daughters from the ends of the earth. On that note, Your Excellency, that de facto, that de jure, the Okelo, the hope of Uganda and this world, come and grant us that hope and speak to this that you are gathering us from all over.
Hey, Alama. Apoyo Mate, Apoyo Mate, Apoyo Mate.